Okay, so what we just did was the example which was in the lecture notes on the introduction section, which calculated the area and the circumference of a circle. We saw the first time that we used the mathematical library, or the math, and we imported that. We're going to see a bit more about that in a minute. Now, I'm perfectly happy with that program there because it runs, and I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to do File, Save As, and I'm going to call that Circles. Circles, and that's a Python file, so I'm going to save that. And also I'm going to save it as temp1 again because I want to work on something temporarily. I always have this type of labelling. It's up to you how you do it yourself. Right, now I'm going to wipe this out because I've already got it saved under one called Circles. Now, what I want to do is I want to play a very simple game. So what I want the game to be is that one player is going to enter a number and the other player is going to try and guess that number. But rather than have Mike enter a number and then I have to shut my eyes and turn away or whatever, and then I come back and then I have to guess the number. So by guess I mean I'll enter a number and Mike's software will tell me whether the number I guessed is higher or lower. So for example, if it's between 0 and 100 and I guess 50 and the real number's 40, it'll tell me that I'm too high. So therefore I modify my guess and I might go 25, it'll then tell me I'm too low and so on. But I want to go one better than that because I don't want Mike to enter the number, I want the computer to enter the number for itself. So I actually want to play a game against the computer. Any suggestions how I might do that, Mike?
I would use a random number generator.
Okay, a random number generator. Do we have one of those in Python?
There is one in Python. We'll have to import a library to make use of it.
Okay.
But it's relatively simple. If we want to generate a random number, I can give a very basic example. We can import a library called random. Now, with the random number, the first thing we need to do is seed a function, and what that does is create as good as possible random numbers from the computer, and we simply do random.seed, so we're calling the seed function.
Okay, and I've heard about this, and actually what it does is quite clever because it's taking things like the actual real time, and it's using the time that now that we don't actually know. I mean, I don't know whether it's, well, what is it? It's 20 to 4 here, but it could be 20 to 4 in 3 seconds, which would make a huge difference on what the output would be.
So all I'm doing here then, so we seeded it with many variables including the system time to shuffle it up.
Yeah.
And then I'm asking the random library to give me a random number and store it into the variable A.
Okay, stop right there. So you see there, well, we know that random's a library, but what is random.seed? What's the significance of that dot?
What this is saying is, this random here is the module.
That's the
that I'm
module.
importing.
Okay.
And dot is saying I'm using from inside that module.
Okay.
And seed is a function that is exposed from the random module.
So it's a bit like the random is the book itself, and the whatever the dot is that follows it is a bit like the page in the book or whatever where I need to go to get it. Talk me through what you're doing here.
So now I'm going to show how I would find out how to do something like that. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up a browser and I'm going to search for Python and random like this. Yeah.
Okay.
And down here we have docs.python.org random, generate pseudo random numbers. So if I click on this, what we can see here is lots of information about how to do a random. And this is telling me that the quickest thing to do, that I normally do, is scroll right to the bottom and see a bunch of examples. And these examples will explain how this works. For this instance here, I'd have to read a little bit to understand what I'm doing, but the random.seed, and these are optional parameters I can send here, will initialize the random number. So I've done that, and then of course I can do things like random.randoms, right? And I can use all kinds of functions that are exposed by the random library.
But I just saw just now that the random that you're doing, so random.random, is going to generate a number between 0.0 and 1.0.
Yeah, yeah.
I think what I'd rather do is I'd rather generate a number between, say, 1 and 100. So,
Between 1 and 100. So
Yeah.
let's look at this random integer. Return a random number integer, n, such that a is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to
that
b.
sounds the one for me.
So if I use this function here, if I now come back to my, here we go. If I change this to rand int,
As it is, yeah.
and I want to go between 1 and 100,
Okay, that's good.
yeah?
Yeah.
And now all I'm going to do is generate a random number between 1 and 100 and print it.
Okay.
Okay, so
That works.
if I save that, and now I run it, you can press F5 to run, and now I have a random number of 25.
Okay.
So if I press F5 again, now I have 15.
Yeah.
Press F5 again, see how I'm getting a random number.
I was going to say, it seems very heavily 5 biased there, but I guess if we do that enough times,
So that's how we generate a random number into A.
Mhm.
Now we can start using that concept into our program.
That's right, that's right. So, what Mike's done there, very kindly, is that, neaten the code up a little bit, I like spaces in between those and the libraries. I like to bunch code together a little bit. So what we've done, all this hard work, let's pull that down there a bit. So all this hard work, every time we press the run, we get a random number between 1 and 100. If I want it between 1 and 1,000, which I do in this case, because I want it to be a bit more challenging in this game. So the random number is now going to be a number between 1 and 1,000. Remind me how I read information in from the user?
Inputs.
I use input data. So let's be very unimaginative and call that variable B. Of course you can call it bananas, apples, pears, whatever you want, it makes no difference. So I want input, and on that input I'm going to put guess a number. That's that. So remember what that should do. That should now produce a command prompt with guess a number written next to it and whatever